In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and optimize Google Drive on your computer. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to google.com Drive Download. This is where you'll find the software you need to bring Google Drive right to your desktop for seamless access and management. Once you're on the download page, scroll down until you see an option labeled Drive for Desktop. That's what we're looking for. Go ahead and click on the download button. This action will prompt the download of the installer file onto your computer, a small yet crucial step in setting up Google Drive locally. Now, depending on your operating system, the installation process will vary slightly. If you're using a Windows machine, locate the Google Drive setup.exe file and double-click it to initiate the installation. If you're on a Mac, you'll need to double-click on Google Drive.dmg and then drag the file into your applications folder. This step is vital as it ensures the application is correctly installed and ready to use. Once you have the application installed, go ahead and open Google Drive. The first thing you'll want to do is click on Sign In. Here you'll log into your Google account using your credentials. This effectively links your Google Drive to your desktop, allowing for easy access to your files. Now take a look at your taskbar or system tray. On Windows, you'll find it at the bottom right corner of your screen, while on a Mac, it's located at the top right. You're looking for a small triangle-shaped icon representing Google Drive. Click on it. This icon serves as a quick access point to Google Drive and its settings. Inside the Google Drive menu, search for the gear icon. This stands for Settings. Click on it and choose Preferences from the drop-down menu. This action will bring you to a panel where you can start customizing how Google Drive works on your computer. Under the My Computer section, you'll see an option to add folder. Click on this. From here, you can select any folder on your computer that you'd like to sync automatically with Google Drive. Once you've decided which folder to sync, simply click Select Folder. This is the pathway to ensure your files are backed up and accessible via the cloud. Next up, you'll need to choose your sync options. Here, you have the choice to sync with Google Drive, which automatically backs up your data to the cloud. There's also an optional feature to back your files up to Google Photos, should that suit your needs. Once you've made your selections, click Done to finalize your preferences. Now, shifting focus to the Google Drive section, you'll decide how your files will appear on your PC. You have two options: Stream Files, which is recommended for using less storage space, or Mirror Files, which creates an offline copy on your device. Choose whichever suits your workflow best. When you're happy with your configurations and all selections are made, hit Save. This action wraps up the setup process, ensuring your Google Drive is now fully optimized for use on your computer. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you seamlessly integrate Google Drive into your daily routine.